Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammicia, and if you're tuning in on my channel for the very first time, here I love to share recipes and everything food related with you guys. So, welcome back to Bake-Simber. Yes, we are still rolling with Bake-Simber. If you are tuning in for the first time, for the entire month of December, I am switching gears on my channel and giving you nothing but holiday sweets and treats and everything festive for the entire month. So as you can tell from the title, today we're actually not baking anything. We're going to be making a simmer pot. So simmer pots are pretty special to me, and probably a whole bunch of other households too. It reminds me so much of my mom, because there was always a simmer pot going in our house, like always, as far back as I can remember. And what a simmer pot is just a very inexpensive, safe, non-toxic way to fill your house with just the most amazing natural aromas. And so for her simmer pots, still to this day, she uses like orange peels, apples, cinnamon powder, vanilla, cloves, whatever it is that you have in your kitchen that's going to smell amazing. You put it in a pot, put some water in it, put it on the burner, put it down to simmer, and just let it go. And I promise you, your entire house smells amazing for the cheap. And also it's safe because you're not, letting all kind of chemicals and toxins and everything into your home environment. So I figured we would do a holiday simmer pot today, in honor of Bake-Simber. So I am going to be just showing you guys just a simple, let's see what we want to call it, winter wonderland. I just made it up off the top of the dome, but a winter wonderland simmer pot. And for my simmer pot, I'm going to be using some oranges. I'm cutting up whole oranges, but you can definitely use the peels if you want to. It just looks cute, so I use fresh whole oranges today. I'm also going to be using some fresh cranberries, and I'm going to be using some cinnamon sticks. And also, we're going to use a piece of this tree back here as well, just to go ahead and give it that nice pine winter scent as well. So it's pretty simple, guys. You're pretty much just chopping up your fruits and just layering it into the pot. As you can see, I'm just putting in my sliced oranges. I'm going to put in a good handful of cranberries. And then I have some cinnamon sticks as well that you can use, but you can also use just your cinnamon powder. That would be absolutely fine. And then also, I'm just going to take a little sprig off of my tree and just put it in there as well. And then I also like to add some vanilla. So a couple of things that I did want to make note of, if you do decide to use some of your fresh pine, or if you're going to use essential oils, that would be great too. I would highly recommend that you do it in a pot that is solely dedicated to the simmer pot and nothing else. And the reason being is that, those essential oils get down into the pores of the pot, and you don't want to have that in your I don't know, spaghetti sauce or something down the line. So if you're going to use anything other than what, just like fresh fruit or cinnamon or something like that, ginger would be good too. That would be nice and warm. But if you're going to use anything other than that, then maybe do it in a pot that's just solely dedicated for your simmer pots. And also, the most important part of this, the most important part, guys, please. You have to keep your ingredients covered with water. You can let your simmer pot go the entire day on low and just keep that aroma going all throughout the day in your house. But you don't want that water to burn down, because then we got issues, okay? We got big issues. And you definitely don't want that, because your ingredients can start to burn down if you don't keep enough water in your pot. So always go back and check and make sure that you have enough water covering your ingredients and your pot, and just keep it on low. And also too, another thing, because I heard mine going off, if you're using fresh cranberries, they do pop, okay? Cranberries pop. So make sure you keep your temperature on low so that you're not surprised when your pot is going off and your cranberries are popping in your simmer pot. But that is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I love a good simmer pot. I'm sitting here right now and I smell mine, and my house smells amazing. I think my mama would be very proud. I'm pretty sure she's watching. She watches all of my videos. So, hey girl. She's like the simmer pot queen, okay? I'm pretty sure she has a pot going right now as we speak, or she's saving some orange and apple peels to get her next pot ready. I promise you. So, yes, that is it. Happy holidays to you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's Bake Simber episode, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.